Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about first responders. Those are people inside of our community that can help us. You will help me come up with who will help us if we need, and then I want you to just watch this video and tell me what you know about first responders. So there are people in our community who can help us if there's an emergency. We can call people who help us in the emergencies first responders, because they are the first ones to show up in an emergency and help out. So let me ask you some questions, okay? So who can help us if there's a fire? Who would help us? You're right, it would be a fireman or a fire person. Who can help us if we get hurt? It might be a nurse or a doctor, right? What if we don't feel safe? Who can help us if we don't feel safe? It could be it could be a police officer. First responders can be firefighters, police officers, or emergency medics in an ambulance. Even this is an ambulance person. First responders care about the people in the community. They show that they care by asking questions and listening to what people say. Then first responders say kind things to show us that they are trying to help solve or fix a problem. When first responders listen carefully, they understand how people are feeling. When first responders like firefighters, police, or emergency medics show that they care, they can help calm down the people who are sad or scared. We are going to imagine what it would be like if we were a first responder to show others that we care about them by asking questions, listen and say kind things, and try to fix the problem. Okay. Hello, my name is Officer Lindy. You look upset. Are you okay? Ooh, so a police officer could say that, right? Or a teacher. What would you say if somebody said that to you? I'm lost and scared and I can't find my mom. And then they could help you. That must be scary, right? I can help you. Can you tell me what happened? So sometimes they'll want to know a little bit more information, and we don't have to be scared, right? So today we talked about first responders. We talked about some jobs that they have, and sometimes they're going to talk to us and ask us questions to get a better understanding of what we need. They might ask us if we're okay. They might ask us if anybody else is around. They might ask us where our parents are. And if you see somebody like this, do you think it would be okay to talk to them? It would be. First responders are here to help us. Just like Miss Cochran. Miss Cochran's going to be here to help you. Miss Johnson's going to be here to help you. And we are part of that crew. We want to find out more about you and more ways to help you if you need. So today you learned about first responders. I'm going to send a video and you guys are welcome to watch it. I want you to just play around. I want you to pretend you are a first responder. Your parents can be the child and you can find out. I want you to ask them some questions. Ask them, are you okay? Do you need help? Are you hurt? Where are your family members? What is your name? Those are very important questions always to ask. All right, I hope you have fun and enjoy the video. Bye.